Hello everyone, Jake here from Jake's Aviation, back with another model unboxing review video. This time we have the beautiful ITA Airways Airbus A350-900 by Aviation400. Super excited to have this. I've never owned an Alitalia aircraft in the past. Obviously they went under and now ITA Airways is kind of taken over and they've got these brand new A350s with this stunning blue livery, and then you got the green, white, and red stripe, and the white tiles, whatever. But just the blue, it's an incredible looking livery. I haven't seen it in person, unfortunately, but the model, like from all the pictures, the videos, and everything I've seen, oh wow! And this flies to LA, which is really nice, replacing kind of Alitalia in that market. So super excited to have this. Let's get right on into it. Very interesting that we have a fully branded sort of Aviation400 box this time for this model. This is probably the first in a long time that I've seen this, where it's weird how some boxes they like brand it with Aviation400. A lot of them they don't. But yeah, very nice box art. Got a picture of the aircraft, registration Echo India India Foxtrot Bravo. 1/4 scale diecast. There's the reg, item number, Aviation400 logo. Whole lot of Aviation400, lots of markings and everything on this box. Back is really plain though. And yeah, but it's interesting because a lot of them you don't know it's Aviation400. They don't put their logo on it on the box. But yeah, super excited for this model. Let's go ahead, open her up, get this out. Oh baby, I'm excited. Oh, wow. Alrighty. Woo. Oh, that looks incredible. We got the little stand piece there. That is... Oh, the tape. Oh, I forgot about that. Crap. Okay, I'm gonna have to... I don't think I can rip this, can I? Oh, yeah, I might be able to... Nope. Get my knife and open it. I was gonna say, I forget that they actually tend to just do that with some of their. There we go. With their models, they actually tape the thing shut. All right, there we go. Let's open this bad boy up and get her out. Oh, I'm super excited. This looks incredible. Alrighty, take that out. Wow. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Alrighty. Oh wow. Look at this. Oh man, that is gorgeous. Damn. Okay. And with the superior Aviation400 mold of the A350, you can't beat it. Now I know, I've seen some people, Citrus Aviation kind of prefers the NG version. Some people prefer, I personally prefer the Aviation400 version, but if I'm being honest, the Aviation400 version and the NG version, there's such a minor difference that I love both. This aircraft just so happened to be released with Aviation400, so I'm picking this up. I'm sure NG will do one of these eventually, probably next year or two. But yeah, anyway, this aircraft, just wow. Wow. With everyone sort of doing these all white, trying to see, looks like there's a little bit of grease on it or whatever, but with everyone doing all white, your white liveries with basic titles and this and that, for this to be, this blue, this sort of white, silvery white titles, then I know there's just a small amount of green, white, and red on the tail, but the white engines, but it stands out and I quite like it. The sort of pattern on the back here and the tail, we'll get into it. It's very unique. I'm not exactly sure what it symbolizes. It's definitely unique. Very nice though. Super excited to have this aircraft. So let's take a closer look. There you have sort of a zoomed in look at it. Very, very nice. And now let's get cracking on the details. Excuse me, guys. Alright, here we go. So, some fantastic details all around the cockpit. Cockpit windows looking really, really nice. Got the little Foxtrot Bravo there on top there. Very, very nice. The gear looking fantastic. Sky Team logo. Aircraft name. And yeah, I wonder, I don't know what the name is of this. I should look that up. That's my bad. But here we go. The ITA titles. Got the little red beacon gem there. Got the antennas looking very, very nice. L2 door. This is just a fantastic looking aircraft. It's blue. The titles. It just looks really, really good. Got the engines looking very, very nice. Hollow, which I believe they spin too. I'm just not gonna mess with it, but pretty nice. I like the NG's version because they did that solid fan blade sort of situation where there's actually more detail like on the inside there and whatnot. But this looks, you know, this does the job. It looks really good too. So very, very nice. The wings, fantastic. There's nothing fancy with the winglets, like how the wings curve up, then the winglets at the end. The main gear looking nice there. L3 door, just kind of coming back along. Airbus A350-900. There's registration. There's no flag, which is interesting. I guess they just decided not to do that because this reg is Irish. The EI reg is Irish, but there's no flag on it. I know. Pretty sure the old Alitalia aircraft, they used to have like the Irish flag and then I guess the EU flag too. I don't think they had an Italian flag on it, but yeah, anyway. L4 door there, got the bulk bin door at the back here. And then you see this like pattern on the back here looking really, really nice, unique. It's like some various circles, stars, squares, various little thingies. I guess the sort of symbols of Italian life and whatnot is what I would assume that these are. Looking very, very nice though. Really pretty. Great detail that's gone into it though. Honestly, like for a 1/400 aircraft, like the print on it and how sharp it is, very, very nice. Great job, Aviation400. Fantastic job on the quality there. And you have that sort of Italian flag stripe there. FB in the top there, the tail right up there. Very, very nice. Taking a look down the back. Stellar aircraft. Got the cargo door there at the back. Moving along. Nothing's different really on this side. Forward cargo door and whatnot. Got the antennas and the Wi-Fi dome and all that stuff at the back there. The beacon on the bottom, which I'll show you here shortly. Got the little beacon there in the bottom. I like how they have. Oh, be careful. The IATA Airways there on the underbelly. Got a registration on the wing. Very, very nice. Gears looking good. They roll, they tilt. Honestly, I don't really care. I don't really care if it does or doesn't, like tilt or whatnot. But very, very nice job though. Highly impressed with this model. Aviation400 is one of those manufacturers though that they release a model. I ordered this. Oh, geez. A long time ago. Let's put it like that. I ordered this along with another aircraft, which that one hasn't come yet, but this one's come. But this, it's been a while. So, I gotta say, I don't know why they take so long, but whenever the models do show up and are made and shipped and show up, fantastic job by Aviation400. I don't think I've had an issue with them to date. I'd have to go back and look, but anyways, they're a great manufacturer. They're just a little slow, but hey, if their quality is good, and maybe it's because they take pride in their work and they check stuff, could be, I don't know, but whew, this model, wow. I gotta say, I'm super excited for their A380s, their new detachable gear A380s, which like you can display in either gear down or gear up. I'm super excited. I got 3 of those coming. Just spoiler alert. And I got the Philippines 777 as well coming. Don't know when those are gonna be. Don't know when they're gonna be coming, but I have them all pre-ordered, so they'll be here probably next year sometime. But I'm super excited to just continue to grow my Aviation400 collection, especially with the new A380s. I wish I could have picked up more of them, just money. But I've got three of them coming, which I'm excited for. And then the 777 from the Philippines, And I don't think there's anything else. I think that's it for Aviation 400. But I'm sure they're gonna probably pop out with more aircraft in the future that I'm gonna want to get. So yeah, I mean, if NG does release the ITA Airways 350, I'm sure it'll be just as good as this. I'm gonna stick with this personally, and I don't think I'll ever shy away from this. It's just because they're the only one that does the beacon too, and I think, you know, it's the fine details that kind of set them up. Obviously, they're, you know, how long they take to manufacture their balls is another thing, but yeah. Anyways, guys, that's gonna do it for this video. Pick this model up if you can. I'm pretty sure it's tough to get now, just given that it's a popular model. It's a beautiful model, and no one else has really done this in 1/4 scale, at least, you know, as good as a model as this, like detail and mold wise. So yeah. Anyways, guys, hope you've enjoyed this one. Like and subscribe, smash that notification bell, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care for now, guys. See you.